Hey guys, welcome to the Conscious Entrepreneurs channel, and I'm very excited today because this is basically the third video of how you can make money, how you can make some serious bank with selling a service to local businesses. So if you go back to the first video and the second video, I explained in those videos how you can literally go to local businesses and help them rank on the first page of Google, okay, and YouTube using the power of video marketing, okay? Now, if you don't know, there's actually a very powerful tool. There's a software, a video tool that I use that helps you rank any long tail keywords or like niche related, like niche laser targeted keywords on the first page of Google and on the first page of YouTube. Now, it doesn't always happen where you're always going to rank on the first page of Google, but I can say like, and there's an 80% chance that you're going to rank on Google if you do it correctly. Okay, my videos, like half of my videos have ranked on Google, not all of them, but a lot of them have. And that's all you really need. I mean, like, even if you are ranking on YouTube, that's good enough. Trust me. Just remember that YouTube is the second biggest search engine after Google, and Google owns YouTube, okay? YouTube is like the little brother of Google. Okay, so don't underestimate YouTube. It gets billions of searches every single month, and it's a very powerful tool. YouTube is a very, very powerful tool. Okay, and we can leverage YouTube to rank on Google, and even if we don't necessarily rank on Google, we can still rank on YouTube. Okay, but obviously for this method it would be better to rank on Google, because people are mainly, when they're searching for restaurants, they're usually searching on Google. Okay, so they looking for results on Google. So anyway, I'm going to get straight into this video, and this video is going to be for demonstration purposes of how we can how we can create a video, like specifically for this local business. Okay, so let's say we are, promoting local businesses, and we've got our first client. Okay, and now what we're going to do is we are going to rank for a specific keyword. Okay, so the great thing about Vidly, okay, first of all, what I'm going to do is I'm going to create the videos with a dummy account. Okay, I've got like a demonstration account, YouTube account, where all of the videos that I do is basically just for demonstration purposes, just to show you that this stuff works. Okay, but yeah, so I'm going to go into the tool. I'm going to go to Vidly, and I'm going to show you what I pulled up. So this is an example. Okay, let's say if we've got our first client, it's a halal restaurant. Okay, could be a Turkish halal food, or Indian halal food, whatever halal food it is. Okay, it's a halal restaurant. So right, now look at this. Best halal Indian restaurant in East London. Okay. Now, this keyword actually gets 100 volume. It has 1,000, well, it says over here that it has 1,900 searches a month. 57 estimated views are on YouTube per month. Okay, that's just on YouTube. And then, I mean, even 50 is going to be a lot. Okay, but when you're getting 1,900 in search volume, that is a lot. That is a lot of eyeballs. Okay. So let me just scroll down. That's just one example. Now, obviously, if you're going for a keyword like this, the restaurant will have to be in East London, and it will have to be an Indian restaurant. It can't just be like you're somewhere else, and because it's not going to be really related, and they're going to be like, hang on a minute, why is this person promoting East London, but you're in South London or you're in West London? Do you understand what I mean? So it has to be related, it has to be specific, okay? So we don't, I mean, obviously, if that keyword is specific and related to your client's restaurant, then you go for that keyword, okay? So let's say if, best halal Thai restaurant London. That is more generic, but it's still targeted. Okay, that is super targeted. So the first one was super targeted. This one is more. This one is more generic, but it's still targeted because it says best halal Thai restaurant London. So it's not saying East London, West London, or anything. It's just saying London. Okay, this is a very very good keyword to go for because when people are searching for a Thai halal restaurant London, London could be East London, it could be West London, it could be South London. But when people are typing that in, if yours comes up on the first thing that's going to go to their head, they don't know about SEO, they don't know about marketing, they don't know about ranking. All they know is that yours has come up as the best halal Thai restaurant in London. So straight away, immediately, they're just going to think, oh, this must be the best because why is it ranking? Why? And obviously, we know that it's not the case, but, that's the power of marketing. Okay, so it's all about getting in front of that audience, and that also gets 100 volume. Now that's 100 plus, so it could be anywhere from 100 all the way up to 1,000. We don't know how much this really is. That's just a generic number. It doesn't mean that it is exactly 100. We're going to go and search that one. Actually, I'm going to paste that into here. And then it will give me a rough estimation of how much searches a month it's getting. Wow, look at that, look at that. That is ridiculous. 500 YouTube views on YouTube. Okay, this is not like what do you call it, this is not like Google or anything. This is actually coming from YouTube. What does this tell you? This tells you that YouTube traffic is getting tons of views for these kind of keywords. This is a classic like local business keyword. So let's have a look. They're giving us more in-depth variations like best halal Thai restaurants in London. Good halal Thai restaurants in London. We can even go for something like that. That's ranking on Google, and that gets 100. Okay, so let's just say we're gonna rank for this. I think we could pretty much do it, to be honest. Like, I really do think that we can pretty much rank for this keyword, because of the fact of how niche it is. And okay, I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna go for this keyword, okay? And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna create a video. I'm going to create a video in Vidnami. Now, Vidnami, if you don't yet know, creates beautiful videos in minutes, okay? Literally, this software ranks in minutes, and Vidnami creates beautiful videos in minutes, okay? We don't need it to be so beautiful and everything. We just need to put together a nice, quick, short video promoting this keyword, and we're going to see if we can rank for it. Okay, so yeah, this is I'm going to do another video. Okay, so I'm going to close it off for here, and in the next video I'm going to create it. I'm going to create the actually no, I'm not going to create the video live. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to basically put it together, and then in the next video it will already be put together, and then what I am going to do is I'm going to do a live demonstration of uploading it on YouTube, okay? Because I don't want to long things, and I just want to make it short and just get the video done. It's not a long video. It's not going to be a long video. It's probably going to be like a less than a 1 minute video or whatever. And then what I'm going to do is live, I will upload the video on YouTube, and we are going to see live how fast it ranks and if it does rank. And if it doesn't rank, then what we do is we go back to the keyword tool, and then we find um, more narrowed niches, like basic not niches, sorry, keywords. So we go into that keyword and we kind of like change it around a bit and maybe make it a bit longer, like a long tail keyword, and that will still get quite a bit of views. Okay, you can see how much this keyword alone is getting. Like, it's crazy. This keyword is getting over 500 YouTube views a month. Can you believe it? Like, this is ridiculous. This is absolutely ridiculous. Okay, so I'll see you in the next video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe and turn on the post notification. Click the post notification bell so you can get more updates on my videos. And I will see you in the next video, where I'm gonna have the video and I'm gonna upload it onto the YouTube, and we're gonna see how fast it ranks. Okay, so I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.